self-care is important. Lalo na kung sobrang busy na natin at hindi na naaalagaan ang ating sarili. Pero alam nyo ba na nauuso na ang aesthetic clinics na mala one-stop shop para sa ating pamper time? Yan ang negosyo na tututukan natin ngayon sa Negosyo Tayo.
Miss Sabs, tell us more about how did you start?
I came actually from abroad in UAE. I work as a skincare specialist. I felt that I'm very ready to have my own because na-mold ka na sa abroad. So when I started in 2018, it was a lot of challenges, of course.
So, hindi ka ba natakot na susugal going back to the Philippines kasi okay ka na very stable ka na in UAE?
Actually, I grew up in Manila, but I never really put aside na sa Manila ako magpuput ng business. I put in Iba Zambales because in Manila, let's be realistic, yung operational expenses mas malaki, and I have also mas maraming competitor na bigger name than me. Unlike in provinces kasi, I felt na mas magbo-boom yung business ko because I've learned sa business, hindi lahat talaga puro talino lang o ganda lang. Magaling ka makisama.
Zambales and Bulacan. So, napakalayo kung saan tayo nakatira, no? So, from Manila, paano nyo po hinahandle yung mga businesses nyo, Miss Salves?
When I started in Zambales, syempre, kumuha ko ng apartment ko to stay there in 9 months. Then, nagtitrain ka na ng tao mo. And then, everything now naman po yung technology can put in your cell phone, like your CCTV, then yung mga like your POS, your POS, you can see on a daily basis din nasa cellphone mo. Yung technology kasi it helps a lot din I believe din naman na yung mga taong na-train mo, you know, you will get their loyalty because you're giving the right naman benefits for them. And especially when you tell them your vision, why you put this one, because it's not from yourself naman. You want to help other people then.
Kaya ba nilang ma-ROI agad ang kanilang investment?
Kung pupunta ka sa ganitong business talaga, make sure na alam mo talaga yung pinapasok mo.
Bakit ba importante magnegosyo ang bawat mamamayang Pilipino?
Wala naman sa laki o liit ng puhunan or ng negosyo yan. Basta tulong-tulong ang isang pamilya, I believe, magiging okay ang lahat. Kailangan nating magnegosyo kasi walang ibang mag-aahon sa atin, kundi sarili lang natin. At sa negosyo, mag-umpisa man na hindi kumita yan, believe me, pag one time kumita na yan, dire-diretso na yan. At alam nyo na yung magiging secret recipe ng negosyo once na nasimulan nyo po.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Kailangan mo ng maaasahan at responsableng katuwang upang lumago ang iyong negosyo. Yan po ang paniniwala ng business owner na si Miss Salves Lansang. Kita-kits ulit tayo next episode mga kanegosyo para sa isa na namang inspiring business story na ihahatid namin sa inyo. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!